Hello guys, I welcome you all to Owerri in Imo State. On this day, I visited Owerri and I visited one of the best hotels in town, Boulevard Hotel in Owerri. This hotel is one of a kind, owned by Chief Gabriel Chukwuma, aka Nnewi. So this hotel is a luxurious hotel that was opened few months ago. And guess what? The people that lodge in this hotel are the who is who in society. But when you come into this hotel, you see why it is called the best. Is it the interior decoration, the services, the food, the environment, everything about this hotel is amazing. Here is we and the owner of the hotel exchanging pleasantries. He took us around the hotel and it is just amazing. It was an amazing experience at Boulevard Hotel in Owerri. This is just the best hotel in Owerri at the moment. Owerri is known for hotels and hospitality, as we know. So when you think of hospitality in Owerri, think of Boulevard Hotel. They give the best services. They have the most comfortable hotel rooms. Poolside, everything is intact. Super amazing. Look at interior decor. Just look at. It's an amazing hotel. So I'm gonna take you around the hotel to see for yourself the reception, the lounges, the coffee houses, the restaurant, the rooms, the poolside, just everywhere around the hotel. You're going to see for yourself why Boulevard is number one, why others follow. Stay tuned and make sure you don't go anywhere because you're going to love this one. So this is MC Adanewi, the one and only MC Adanewi. We came all the way from Nnewi. It was indeed an amazing experience. This is a food menu. Can you see the menu and the prices of food and edibles there? Never brought for Mazi. It's not for children at all. Not for children.
This is the kitchen. This is the restaurant. Background. Yes. Okay, you suit a man. No, that's right. Oh, very good.
I don't think I'm going to go to
My name is you. Everybody move your eye, you're the one.
Ha, what got you? Come on, I came alone. I'm going to say, we're not today. Baby, go on here. You watch you again, I think I'll.
Yes, you make it. I'm going to see them. The same with the one person. No, single room. This one is now it's 120. This one is 120. Same kind of toilet too. Okay, well you can the remote to the this thing. Yes. Our curtains are
I'm not near room at one, maybe because one of them won't.
Jesus and God.
I'm not near room at one, you may make a cotton stab also. Still moving. Yeah, yes. Jesus. 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 Jesus.
Open it again. Okay, open it. This one.
Nanya, me pe na ha Jesus. Me pe. Ada me pe, sorry, ada me pe di cotton.
Makachi sia dog.
Piaya. Ngwa super.
Akamara walk. Obana is not here.
I am. Okay, I'll be ready for the guys. Let's wait, no, let him bring the cake.
Let's see about here, kids. That is like that.
I'll go around.
Change space is okay for us now. Huh? What's wrong?
Are you tired of one bed?
I want them okay.
Okay, you know one name again. I wake up doing the
That's what I do for you. That's what I do for you.
What I am there, no. So we're taking the two, Abby.
Bro, help me bring my bag downstairs. Thank you. You see the two
my
bags?
bag, tell me
reception.
at the reception.
We sitting.
Right here.
They put rice and they eat well. This one no do. I bet you add everything.
I'm my drawer. Have a wife to go.
Can you get 2 bed in here?
Okay, let's go.
Guy down.